I'm Nidhi Gupta and I'm Nene's mother. When we enrolled with Athena, even at that time, Nene was a bit confused. He was not very sure. He was there, yeah, he wanted to go out, but then there was this confusion, and we had no knowledge how to proceed, what's the process. And during this entire journey, again and again, talking to these counselors and all, we realized how much ignorant we were. We could have started earlier, and we were quite late. And yeah, initially even he used to feel frustrated sometime. Yeah, we got late. We should have started early. But then with time and with flow, he learned, and like after maybe 6 or 8 months, he started getting that kind of confidence, that clarity, what he wants to do, and what subjects, which colleges he will consider, and he had that list in his mind. So it was like a complete transformation. So as a parents, we feel so proud of him, and we are just filled with gratitude that this is what all he has achieved. It's like it's all our own achievement, and I'm so proud of him. Our entire family, we are celebrating this moment. Yeah. And the most important timing was when he was writing his essays, the way, the kind of dedication he showed and the way he worked. It was like, it was amazing to see him working like that, and then getting those results. So you feel so proud because I witnessed him working really hard, and then we achieved those results. It was like, well, what? Yes, you deserve it.